Financial freedom, sun-drenched beaches, early retirement. The dream, right? But the reality is far more nuanced than the Instagram highlights suggest. Let's debunk some common myths and uncover the truth behind achieving financial independence. First, let's address the pervasive misconception that financial freedom means never working again. While having enough passive income to comfortably cover your expenses is a crucial component, it doesn't necessarily imply complete retirement. Many financially independent individuals continue to work, but on their own terms. They pursue passions, projects, and ventures that bring them fulfillment, rather than being driven solely by the need for a paycheck. Think of it as choosing your work, not being forced into it. This allows for a more balanced and fulfilling life, combining financial security with personal satisfaction. Next, let's dispel the notion that financial freedom is a single destination, a finish line you cross and then relax. It's not a static state. It's a dynamic journey, a continuous process of building, managing, and protecting your wealth. It involves setting realistic goals, regularly reassessing your strategies, and adapting to changing circumstances. Market shifts, unexpected expenses, and even changes in personal preferences will require adjustments along the way. It's about building a strong financial foundation that can withstand various economic and personal storms. This requires ongoing vigilance and a proactive approach to managing your finances. Another misconception is that financial freedom requires millions of dollars. While having substantial wealth certainly provides greater options, it's not the defining factor. The core principle of financial freedom lies in the relationship between your income and expenses. If your passive income consistently exceeds your living expenses, you're well on your way to financial independence, regardless of the exact dollar amount. Focus on mindful spending, eliminating unnecessary expenses, and building multiple streams of income, even if they start small. The key is creating a sustainable system where your money works for you, even if that system doesn't involve enormous wealth. There's also a common belief that there's only one path to financial freedom. This is simply untrue. The road to financial independence is unique to each individual. It's shaped by your skills, resources, aspirations, and risk tolerance. It could involve real estate investments, starting a business, building multiple online income streams, or a carefully diversified portfolio. The key is to explore different avenues and to find what resonates with you and your personal strengths. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt your approach as you learn and grow. Finally, let's tackle the myth that financial freedom is easy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It demands discipline, dedication, and a long-term perspective. It requires consistent effort, smart financial decisions, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. Expect setbacks. They're part of the process. The journey requires patience, perseverance, and a strategic approach to managing your finances. In reality, financial freedom is about having the financial resources and flexibility to live life on your terms. It's about aligning your income with your expenses, building multiple income streams, and having the freedom to pursue your passions without the constant pressure of financial limitations. It's a journey of continuous learning, adaptation, and strategic financial management, ultimately giving you control over your time and your life.